Oil prices dropping today. They erased the gains for the entire week. Inflation data showing that the Fed may have a firm path towards raising rates. I want to bring in Jeff Reeves, executive editor at InvestorPlace.com, and Ron Weiner. He is the CEO of RDM Financial Group. Gentlemen, good to have you here. Jeff, first to you on the Fed. We got the minutes. It was a month old, but hey, we still got the Fed minutes. Raising rates, yes or no?
Well, I mean, I think it's kind of touch and go. I would hope that the Fed continues on the course that it's set because they kind of painted themselves into a corner. I know there's been a lot of talk about negative rates lately. I think that just because Yellen has said that that's a possibility, it certainly doesn't mean it's likely. And as we all know, even if the Fed says something is likely, it doesn't mean that any action is imminent. So I think that the Fed is just making sure that they've telegraphed there's extra tools in the toolbox. I'm kind of hopeful that we stay on that rate path forward because, let's be honest, if we can't hang with 50 basis points increase in interest rates, I think there's some systemic problems we're going to have to deal with. So it's kind of you're darned if you do, you're darned if you don't. But I would prefer to see the Fed stay on course like they said they will. Okay,
and they likely will. Hey, Ron, I want to ask you about one of your picks today. It's Apple. Apple been in the news, of course. We found out today that it looks like that the DOJ is pushing ahead, pushing on Apple to comply. The pressure is on. Donald Trump coming out, Ron, and saying that we should be, as Americans, boycotting all Apple products. That happened about 10 minutes ago in a live town hall. Apple, you still like it right now, considering the news, Ron?
Buying opportunity. I mean, this Trump thing, I don't know. I don't want to be political here, but the truth is, Apple's a cheap stock. It's been a cheap stock for a long time. Now it's trading at 10 times. This thing will blow over if it takes a week, a month, 3 months. It will blow over. Apple's a strong company, tons of cash, very cheap. It's growing. It's going to be fine. This may end up being a buying opportunity for people who haven't been in it. Okay. We've been in it a long time.
You have been. Okay. Well, I want to get both of your thoughts before we go on the best week of 2016. Ron, is this the turning point of the markets? Yes or no?
I have no idea.
Honestly,
the truth is, you know, we don't expect that much out of this market going forward. At least we can't see a catalyst. You know, what we do know is that every central bank is playing around with these experiments in their currencies and their economies. So it's probably a good idea to keep a little bit of gas in the tank, and I think you're better off not shooting the moon. I don't think it'll be bad. The U.S. is fine, but I don't think you should shoot the moon right now.
All right. Well, Jeff Reeves, Ron Weiner, we're actually out of time. We had a lot of breaking news, of course, out of Washington. Thanks to you both for being here.